Francesca Hennessy is set to go down against Fabiana Bitici, and Francesca Hennessy is having a record of 6-0. Extremely talented fighter out of Kent. You've seen that she dominated Anna Carla Moraes, Carla Camila Campos, Dorota Norek, but Fabiana Bitici is having so much experience. This chica is fighting out of Usti nad Labem, Czech Republic. She's training every day, very dedicated. Defeated Judy Hackbold, Janika Volani lost to Seren Satin, lost to Tina Ruprecht. Well, she always goes the distance, and I have a high probability for this fight to go the distance, but I think Fabiana Bitici is slower than Francesca, and that's why I'm giving advantage to Francesca for the victory. But yeah, I think this fight goes the distance. Like I'm 80% sure that going the distance is a good call here.